In this video, I will show you how to add a countdown timer on Instagram Story. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Instagram. So the first thing we're going to want to do is come down to the bottom and press onto the plus button to start creating a new story. At this point, what you need to do is come down to the bottom and you want to press onto story. What you can then do is go ahead and record a new story, or alternatively come down to the bottom left hand corner and press onto your gallery, just like so. And you can go ahead and select an image from your gallery. So what I've done, I've selected this picture, and what you're now going to want to do to add a countdown timer is come up to the top and you want to press onto the sticker icon, which is this icon just here. And in here at the very top, you're going to see these different options, for example, location, frames, mention, and so on and so forth. Now you can see there's an option here for countdown, so what you want to do is give that a press. Then what you can do is give your countdown a name. So for example, if it's a countdown for like a holiday or birthday or something like that. Once you've done that, go ahead and press onto the time itself to select the date and time. So for example, I could select the 8th of December. As you can see, it's going to set the countdown timer up ready to go. And once you're happy, just go ahead and press done in the top right hand corner. As you can see, we've now added our countdown timer to this Instagram story, so we can now come down to the bottom right hand corner and press onto the arrow button to post this to our story. And once that's done, what we can do is now press onto our story, and you can now see the countdown timer working on your Instagram story. So that's how to add a countdown timer on Instagram story. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.